Here's my guide to 4 common situations you can spot in order to solve as quickly and easily as possible. First is that whenever you see a fraction in an equation, it's always going to make your life easier if you multiply every other term in your equation by the denominator to get rid of it as soon as possible. In this case, that's going to be a 3, and then we solve as normal to get that 6 over to get minus 15. What about when you have negative x's to start off? I like to move them over to the other side to make them positive as soon as possible, which is just personal preference, but I think it makes things smoother. So we do that and we subtract the 107 that we started with on the right hand side, divide by 10, and we're going to get our solution of minus 9. Now you might get lots of brackets around terms to deal with, especially with fractions, so you want to get rid of them by expanding in order to finish the solve, which makes it simple. We can minus the 70, divide by 14 to get x is 2. And finally, when you have x's on both sides, combine them to make a positive value for x if you can, otherwise it doesn't matter. So I choose the side with the smaller number of x's, get all my x's together and my numbers on the other side by moving them over, divide by 4, jobs are good and x is 10.